Hello, my name is Johnny, and today we're gonna do this. This is sheet metal, probably so. Those who are familiar with SolidWorks understand what I'm saying. For any beginner out there, don't be scared. I'm gonna take you step by step until you get to understand what we're doing here. This is the first video in this series of sheet metal. So we're going to draw that. I'm going to use the front plane. I'll select the front plane, then I go to base flange. There, I'll take the line tool, then I'll just do a simple sketch. I'll take the smart dimension tool. This one here is 40. From here, it's 80. 80. It's 150. Then from into this angle here, this. Okay, there we have it. I'm going to just exit the sketch, and voila, we have our first sketch over here. Okay, so for the thickness is 6, and length here is 40. Move this here. I'm gonna push this to 40, but I'm going to use mid plane. Then here I'm going to increase this to 6. Look at bend radius. They haven't given us any, but I'll just use the default one, which is 2. You can see over this place. I'll click OK. There we have our first sketch. Now I want to add these circles over here. I'm going to begin with this lower one. This is 20 from here to here, and it's a 14 radius. Has a distance of 45 in from the top. Okay, and it's 9. This is 14. Okay, I'm going to left click that, then press sketch, circle. The 14 from here to here, 20. Extrude cut. You'll click here, link to thickness, then okay. Then we have our first one, then I'll click here, sketch, circle, circle. This is 9, and center it's 45, and from here, from here, 5. Then from this point there is 15. So I'm going to click this, hold shift, then click that other one and make them equal. Metal, extrude cut, link to thickness. Okay. Okay, so we have these chamfers over here. They've not given us any, so we're just going to put 5. Okay, do this. Go to features. Then here in this slot of fillet, we go to chamfer. Click these edges. I'll give them maybe a 5. Okay. There you have it. Beautiful sketch over here. If you want to cut it on your laser machine with a sheet metal, you flatten it. This is how it's going to look. Right click, export. You see how this file is saved. Then you just click save. Come here to sheet metal. I'll click bend lines and OK. So this is how it's going to look. These dotted lines show that these are bend lines. Then your complete lines here is where the laser beam is going to travel and cut it into this shape. Save. Just like that, you've done your first sheet metal project. Wow. I'll see you in another video.